You might be excited about the chance to go catch a Broadway show, but in the 19th century, the theater was known for boozing and bad manners, and P.T. Barnum wanted to change all that. Using his American Museum's lecture room as a performance venue, Barnum legitimized stage entertainment with the promise of an educational show fit for the whole family. The hall hosted pantomime and drama, human curiosities, and countless other events, but its bread and butter was moral theater. It was an innovative venue, even if it did not showcase Barnum at his most courageous. Rather than taking a strong stance on abolitionism, he decided to present a version of Uncle Tom's Cabin that was rewritten to have a happy ending. The lecture room started small, but it expanded over time, eventually becoming a 3,000-seat hall with top-shelf furnishings, its own actors' company, and dedicated stage management. Barnum arguably invented the matinee with afternoon performances, and his presentation of William H. Smith's temperance play The Drunkard was the first show to run for 100 consecutive performances in New York in 1849. That's today's Barnum Fun Fact, and if you didn't know, now you do.